Hinkal is a truly decentralized privacy solution for swaps and transfers across EVM chains. Already live on Rubic, with Solana and Tron support coming soon. Hinkal doesn't charge fees for swaps, shielding or unshielding. Let's try it out. First, sign a message with your wallet. You'll then unlock Stealth Wallet. You can use it as a receiver address for transfers. Now you can shield your tokens. Choose the tokens you want to shield, enter the amount, and click the Shield button. To unshield, go to the Unshield tab. Choose the tokens you want to unshield. You can also enter an EVM address to send the unshielded tokens directly there. And that's it. Stay private with Rubic's Private Mode and Hinkal. Rubic Best Rate Finder. Now with privacy.